the wall. Everybody, put your hand together for one of the best comedy in the world, Jack Laguerre. I, Jack Laguerre. How you doing, my friend? You watching me at home? You watching me? I see you, brother. I see you, man. I see you. You watching me? Tell me you don't see me. I see you. I see you when I see you. Alright, this is Jack. I'm watching you right there too. I see you every time you're dreaming. Everything I see you. Every freaking day I see you. You watching me right there. Hey, Jack, how you doing, Jack? Fuck that shit. I was in the hospital. I see them kids, man. Them kids are fucking calling me jackass. You know what I'm saying? Every time they fucking call me jackass, you know what I'm saying? I see a fucking S coming out my ass. A fucking tail coming out my ass. Every time. I said, stop it. Don't fucking tell me like that. Don't call me jackass. Oh, Jack this, Jack that, all kind of Jack. Jack the Whipper. I didn't fucking know the Jack the Whipper. They even call me Jack the Whipper. I said, who the fuck you think you Jack the Whipper? You know what? I said, stop that crap. You know what? I don't play no fucking game. You want me to jack your ass? You want to stop? You better stop fucking calling me jackass, alright? The kids coming, oh Jack, you know what I'm saying? I was in the hospital. Every fucking one they keep telling me cuss word. I say, don't cuss at me. Oh, fuck you, Jack. Fuck you, this, Jack. I said, you know what? You don't know Jack. You know what I'm saying? You know what? Don't do it. Don't tell me all kind of crap. Every time you say a freaking word, you know what I'm saying? I feel this freaking damn thing. You know what I'm saying? I said, don't call me no jackass because I'm not freaking jackass. You know what I'm saying? My name is Jack or Black Jack. Jack this, Jack that. All kind of Jack. What kind of Jack is that? You know, I said, you know what, kids? The kids over here, man. I don't know what to tell them, man. The kids, you know what I'm saying, over here, man. They tell you, they say all kind of things, you know, say to the kids. But in Haiti, we can tell them, you can't do that type of thing. And then we whip your ass. We whip your ass. But over here, you know, say if you're gonna do it, you know, say next thing you know, the fucking call, 911, 911. I got my father whooping my ass, I got my mom whooping my ass, all that type of thing. You know, say over in Haiti, you know, say we whoop your ass, but we don't try. We give you discipline. When we whoop your ass, we whoop your ass. We give you discipline. Okay, so stay tuned. This is Jack TV, one of the best TV station online, the best comedy. This is Jack. BT, where are you? You missing me, motherfucker? You missing me? I won't lie, motherfucker. You can't get me. I'm BT. I got on TV station online. They're watching. I got millions of people watching me. So you need me, BT, so I can make more people laugh. I could be the best. I'm the best comedy, the Asian comedy. Stop by, say to all my Asians, stop by, say now, blah, 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 blah. Stay tuned, and Jack TV.